Assalamu alaikum, everyone. We can start our lecture. I also appreciate to everyone to join with us as proper time. I also appreciate to everyone from Live Spoken English. Now we are starting our class. I would like to say to everyone to introduce yourself. As an example, you can say I am Rizwan. I am from Goripur. I am Shan. I am from Mymensingh. I am Sadi. I am from Mymensingh. And also I am Mahia Jannat Mahi. I am from Nandai. ঠিক আছে. Thank you. Let me go to Rizwan.
I am Rizwan. I am from Goripur.
Let me go Shan.
I'm Shanam from Aminsing.
Let me go to Api Akhtar.
I am Api Akhtar. I am from Gauripur.
Okay. Let me go to Faria.
Assalamualaikum. I am Faria. I am from Mymensingh.
Okay, thank you. Let me go to Mahi.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Mahia Jannat Mahi. I am from Nandel.
Okay, let me go to Sadi.
I am Majharisam Sadi. I am from Mymensingh.
Okay, thank you. Another participant whose name is Mim. Mim has already joined with us. I also request to Mim to introduce yourself. As an example, I am Mim. I am from Kotiadi.
I am Mim. I am from Kotiadi.
You know that we are continuing our WS question. That is why I can share with you my share screen. Can you watch my share screen? Can you watch?
I can watch.
Yes, I can see.
Yes, I can.
What was the last class? Can anyone say?
WS question.
Last class was the WS question. Thank you. Okay, I am searching WS question. I have already made a presentation for teaching to you. Okay. I have already made WS question. Okay. We can start. প্রথমেই আমি কনভারসেশন শুরু করতে যাচ্ছি সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা প্রথমেই আমি আর শান শুরু করব হয়তো আমি শানরে প্রশ্ন করবো শান তুমি আই উড মেক এ কোশ্চেন and then you would make answer. ঠিক আছে, that is why we can start. As an example, what do you learn